In this video, I'm going to show you how to download copyright-free music from YouTube. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. Let's get right into it. YouTube has a massive library of completely free, royalty-free music that you can use in your videos without worrying about copyright strikes. And I'm going to show you how to exactly download it. So first you need to go to YouTube Studio, go to top right corner and click on your profile picture just like this. Then click YouTube Studio. Once you are in your YouTube Studio, look at the menu on the left side, scroll down and you are going to see an option called Audio Library. Go on and click on that. And here we are, this is your YouTube's audio library. As you can see, there are thousands of copyright-free songs that you can download and use completely for free in your videos. Now let me show you how to find the perfect music for your video. At the top, you can see different filters. You can filter by genre, mood, instrument and duration. This makes it super easy to find exactly what you are looking for. For example, if you want upbeat music, I can click on mood, select happy or energetic. Just like this, you can also search by genre, like electronic, rock, pop or acoustic. If you need specific length of music, you can filter by duration as well. This is really useful when you need background music for a specific part of your video. Now, once you have found the song that you like, here is how you download it. Let's say I want this song right here. First, you click on the play button to preview it and make sure it's the right fit for your video. If you like it, simply click on download icon right here next to the song. It looks like download arrow, just like this. Click on it and the music file will start downloading on your computer. If I look at the top right of my browser, as you can see, the file is now downloading as an MP3. And that's it. The song is now saved to your computer and you can use it in any of your videos completely copyright free. Now, one important thing to note. Some songs in YouTube audio library require attribution, which means you need to give credit to the artist. You can see in the right here next to the song, if it says attribution required, you'll need to include the artist's name in your video description. YouTube makes it really easy. Just click on arrow next to the download button and it will show exactly what to copy and paste into your description. However, most songs don't require attribution, which means you can just download and use them freely with no extra steps. Alright, that's it. Now you know how to download copyright-free music from YouTube. No more worrying about copyright strikes, just free, legal music for all of your videos. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe and like for more YouTube tutorials like this.